Alright, so real quick, I just want to talk to you guys. So I'm going to be starting this new thing on the channel where basically I kind of capture fishing moments in my, fishing life and on YouTube. Just basically videos that weren't really able to make the cut for an actual YouTube video, but awesome moments that are good nonetheless. So I'm literally just chilling here right now, recording this little narration. But yeah, just want to let you guys know that I'm going to be starting this new kind of, like, not really series, but this new little thing on this channel where I will just make videos shorter, much less edited and serious videos. Just kind of crazy moments. Whether they're big fish catches, the one that got away, which spoiler is what happened in this video, and just stuff like that. So yeah, thank you guys so much for the support recently, and let's just jump straight into the video. It's my last piece of bread, so this is really risky chumming it. I'm using the smallest possible pieces right now. There he is. There he is. There he is. Hello. Hello. There he is. I got him. 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 What is it? I think it's a cat. It's a catfish. It's a giant catfish. It's a giant catfish. It's a freaking toad of a catfish. Oh my god. It is a toad of a catfish. Whew. Come on. Come on. Oh. Catfish on bread. I thought it was a carp this whole time. It is in fact a catfish. No. Oh my god. No.